Hello. I'm just working on my seeds. I bought this little thing that holds all those. I put a different kind of seed in each one and labeled them just so I know what is what. Because it's not fun to get stuff mixed up. Those blue Hubbard squash, I can't wait to grow those. I'm excited. I have tons of corn and peas go out soon. This one is my squash and eggplants and pumpkins. My carrots and more pumpkins. I have a lot of pumpkins. This is all radish seeds. And then I have my beans that I got from Dollar Tree. See, heirloom from Dollar Tree. And then I have big bags of bean seeds. I have contender bushes, Gold Rush wax beans. These are Kentucky, or I don't know what these are. There's nothing on the bag, so I don't know. Top Notch Golden Wax beans. A big bag of Pentos. Top Crop Bush big beans. Lots and lots of Royalty Purple and Blue Lakes, Kentucky Wonders, black beans, a little bit of everything. And then carrots, heirloom from Dollar Tree. If you remember, I said I get a lot of my seeds from there. I was not kidding. Beets, I have tons of beets. I still have to decide what I want to plant this year. But I have eggplant and butternut squash. Lots of butternuts. My daughter's ready for bed, so she's not being very pleasant right now. Tons of tomatoes of all different kinds. Peas, I have Alaskan and Alaska sugar snaps. Sugar. Little Marvel. I have tons of different stuff. And then in my corn seeds, these are the dollar store packs. And then I have these. They're hybrids. Those are going out. Then I have a few gem corn seeds. And then white sweet corn. And I also have a pack of these left. Glass corn, which is awesome. Oh, wrong one. I have two things for corn because I have so much of it. Cabbage, which I might put the peppers in with those because cabbage isn't very full. Blue Hubbard, like I said. My yellow squash seeds, my zucchini seeds. These are all my spinach and broccoli and lettuce in this one. Watermelons out the yin yang. These are my cucumber seeds. These are all my kale and chard. Then I have my onions and flowers, sunflowers, black widow sunflower seeds. And that's my herbs. She says. Oh, it's coming off. Each one has their own label. And they just snap shut when they're not shoved too full. You know, I might have shoved them a little full, but they'll be alright. But that's all for now. I'm going to do another video in a few days. Y'all can help me decide which seeds I want to plant this year. Because I have no idea. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.